Hello there, family, friends, and beautiful country world. Joey Jones, still on the road. Well, first and foremost, let me congratulate all the ones that are taking the CDLs, all the ones that are driving by themselves, regional, dedicated, home daily, over the road. It's a blessing. I always said it on my 5 videos, and God is good. It's good, always. Yeah, right now, I'm at the customer. I'm about to do a vacuum maneuver. So, get out here. Let me show you something. I'm gonna do a vacuum maneuver, and I'm hauling a Swift Intermodal. That's what I do. I do run Swift Intermodal, and it's a home daily fleet. And right now I have to push my tandems back. You gotta release the pin there. It's almost there. I gotta push it back a little bit to lock in place. But yeah, I had to move my tandems back, and I have to back in on a spot. Now let me show you something about a gap. A lot of people don't know what a gap is. A gap is that there. You see this? What you see here? That's a gap. Yeah, we call this a gap. So let's say, for an example, if I'm going to close the gap, I go righty. So then closing the gap, when I close the gap, my trailer or container will move towards the one next to it. Now if I open the gap, it'll move away from it. So close the gap, open the gap. So we're going to do a close the gap with the tandems right back, open the gap. So let's do this. All right. I have driving gloves, you know. These have the rubber grip on them. That's what I use. Okay, I'm gonna go in there. All right. So let's do this. So then I like to count 3. So I like to count I'll say that's 1, 2, 3. So then I'll just pretend there's 3 trailers there. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And then the front bumper all the way to the edge of the line, just about. And then I'll start cutting the 3 o'clock. That's how I do it. Start cutting the 3 o'clock. And then 12 o'clock. See that? So right now I'm going to open the gap a little bit. Then I'll start to close it a little bit. Then I open the gap a little bit. And close it a little bit. And you open the gap. See? Just like that. Pull up a little bit, straighten it out. And here we go. And of course, watch around you. See it? Open the gap. Close the gap. That's pretty much how I do it. You know, I try to go like close the gap, open the gap, close the gap, open the gap. That's what I try to do. Pop your brakes. And that's pretty much it. You know, let me show you something here. Take a water bottle. This is close the gap, open the gap. Close the gap, open the gap. So it's close the gap, open the gap. Okay, my peoples, that's pretty much it. That's the way Joey Jones used the vacuum maneuver. You know, again, close the gap, open the gap, but don't overdo it, because if you say you're gonna close the gap and leave it on, close the gap, it's gonna always keep going on that direction. So that's why you always see me like close the gap, open the gap. I use that motion, close the gap, open the gap. use your mirrors, get out and look. And if you don't feel safe from doing it by yourself, try to find somebody, a yard jockey, somebody to spot you, somebody that can help you, you know, back in your trailer, you know, because you don't want to hit anything and did it cause any damages, you know, and have the company pay for damages and stuff. All right, my peoples, you know, and I'm here. I never left. I do answer all my emails, all my text messages, and my phone calls. Okay, so and another thing is safe following distance, man. Don't tailgate like these truckers do, man. That's all you see, nothing but people tailgating. Don't do that. Use 3-point contact, getting in and out the vehicle. And this is pretty much it. I love y'all. God bless y'all. Thanks for watching. Be safe. God bless. God is good. Love ya. Thanks for watching. Later.